Alright, this is the rate I old monk, and today we are with the Infinix Smart 3 Plus. This is the latest smartphone by Infinix. AI triple camera is written on the box. This is a midnight black color. There is another color which is a midnight blue color. So these are the two colors coming with the device. And here we are with the box, and I will do the unboxing and tell you something about the device. Now talking about the device, some specification are written, which we will go in detail later on. It is made in India box, and the box pricing is 7,999, which is 8,000 bucks, less than one rupees minus than 8,000. And currently we will check the box content of the device. Also at the same time I will read what is given in the box. Written in the box backside, it is 6.21-inch SD plus display. It has a AI triple rear camera, AI front camera with low light selfie, dual VoLTE, 3500 milliampere battery, face and fingerprint unlock at the same time. So this is what you are getting in the box. Here we have the device, and as I have already told you that it comes with the AI capture. The device looks good enough, and at the back also you can see this is the volume button, this is the power key, and also the dual SIM slot, and with the expandable memory storage. Here you can see there is triple rear camera, AI camera is also written at the bottom. Now taking the other things out, here you can see it comes with a micro USB charging cable. Remember, the device comes with a 3500 milliampere battery. That is the battery which is coming inside the device. And the here you can pause the video and check the rating of the charger. The device weighs around 148 gram. Other than that, there are some paperwork. It includes some safety information guide, warranty card, user manual. Also, you are getting a plastic bag. This is not the typical one what we used to get. This is a little bit different in looking. Here you are also getting a screen guard. After this, you can see how you can enroll your face. It take less than a minute to enroll your face. It also has a fingerprint sensor. You can register that. Here you can see the fingerprint sensor at the back. Infinix written. There is triple rear camera with LED flash, and also there is Smart Series which is written at the back. It looks like glassy finish. It is also a glass at the back. We still don't know in the front what is the glass protection. Now talking about the slot, we are getting a 3 dedicated slot where you have the 2 nano SIM card slot with the both VoLTE support, and also there is a micro SD card for expandable storage. Here you can see on the side you are getting a volume rocker key and the power button. The power button is coming with a tactile feel, and it has a glass finish. In the bottom you can see there is a speaker grills, there is a micro USB charging slot, 3.5mm jack. Noise cancellation mic is also in the bottom, and there is one more noise cancellation mic on the top. Coming to the front camera, it comes with the 8 megapixel AI front camera. Here you can see I am just doing the face unlock, and it works very smoothly. I haven't tried and tested the low light scenario, but the front camera is AI front camera with the for low light selfie. Talking about the fingerprint sensor, it also works very smoothly. There is no hiccup or issues. Now talking about the device hardware specification of Infinix Smart 3 Plus, it has a display of 6.21-inch SD plus display with the 2.5D curved glass on the side. It comes with a 19.5:9 aspect ratio. It has a processor, quad-core processor Helio A22. It is running on Android 9.05 with XOS 5.0. It has a 3500 milliampere battery. It is a 2GB 32GB variant, and also at the same time I have told you about the camera. Now talking about the software, it comes with the few software features. Here you can see in the battery there is a AI power saving mode. So it is coming with a few partial AI system settings which I will tell you in later. Here you can see there is a notch area setting. You can hide the notch. So if you don't want the notch, you can just pull out the setting in the display area, and you can change that. Now talking about some more software features in the device, you can get the theme. There is lock screen and wallpaper. You can change them. You can play it around. Now talking about the storage, here you can see it has a 2GB of RAM and 32GB of storage. And this is what you are getting, where the available space is 20GB. Now coming to the security, you are getting three kinds of security, including your face unlock, fingerprint sensor, and the passcode or the pattern. Here you can see the face unlock. So face unlock is registration is very easy. It takes less than a minute. Now talking about the smart panel, this is something I have seen in the color OS. Here you can see that You can take the screenshot, you can do the screen recording, at the same time you can pull the apps, you can change the number of apps what you want or you don't want. So this is a cool feature, maybe a easy shortcut to go to your apps or do any shortcut setting while taking a screenshot or doing this screen recording. So this is the main feature of the algorithm. Now talking about the intelligence voice broadcast, this will help you to tell the weather, cricket match score or any alert, calendar settings if you have any appointment and those kind of things. So it will also tell you that what is the WhatsApp notification. These are the few features what it will tell you. Now going to the XOS lab, there is nothing new in that. So if something comes up, it will be popping up here. Currently the device is on the latest version of XOS 5.0. There is nothing beyond that. Now if you are pulling the notification setting here, you can see it comes with a beautiful dark mode setting, and the notification panel doesn't seem anything very interesting what I have seen. But one thing I have seen, the transition in the device looks pretty cool. Here you can see I have done a small demo in a closed preview. Now talking about the camera, it has a triple rear camera. I haven't tried and tested the rear camera. It's coming with the 13 megapixel main camera, then 2 megapixel depth sensor camera. There, the third one is the low light camera, and in the front what you are getting a 8 megapixel low light selfie camera, which is also AI. So all the four cameras what are coming in the device are AI. It supports the SDR mode. You can change the aspect ratio, you can change the setting, you can also change the picture setting. Now talking about the modes, there is a video mode, AI camera mode, there is beauty mode, there is a bokeh mode, and there is a AR shots. AR shots are mainly the stickers which you can use on your faces while playing around. So these are the few modes which are coming. There is a AI camera which is preloaded, and here you can see the video shooting can go up to full HD or HD and SD settings. So 1080p, 720p and 480p. These are the three modes of camera shooting in the video section. So this is what we are getting in the device. Now there is one more feature where you can clean up your RAM. This is the easiest feature, and definitely I like that it is easy, and you can clean the app RAM or the background app very easily. Now this is it is kind of smart assistant. It will pull out some of the calendars, it will tell you how to book Ola, you can do the mobile DTH payment, there are newspaper, you can check it out, play it around. These are the cards you can manage. This is the inbuilt function of XOS. Talking about now, also one more thing, it has an app drawer and it looks pretty much clean UI, but there are some bloatwares coming in the device. The price point of the device written in the box is 8,000, but what I am guessing that Infinix is an online product and it will be coming around 7,000 to 7,500. This is all about the device. This is at the rate of iOldMonk signing off. Please like the video, share the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.